Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RAD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going forward. The first dynamic, other than just the pure beatdown, was that the price finally did actually stabilize here and then start to put together a little bounce right there. Now, does that bounce have any sort of genuine strength, or is that just a dead cat? I have no idea, but there's a very quick way to kind of just figure that out. And that is just by keeping an eye right here at the 50-cent level. If the price were to go down to 50 cents and then break down below it, just stop and think what that would be implying. So again, like I said, the price goes back down to 50, breaks through it, and then just continues on down. At that point in time, from a very literal perspective, it would literally be putting the price right back to where it was before the bounce started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they started, not exactly a sign of any sort of genuine power. Whereas if the price were to come down here to the 50-cent mark, however, in this situation, behave like that and then start to work its way upwards. Well, in this situation, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows right there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you'd have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And sure, there'd still be plenty of work to be done, but that would still be a step in the right direction in terms of trying to turn the entire chart around. So that is definitely a very important level going into tomorrow, Friday, 50 cents for, like I said, the reasons explained. Is the price making progress, or is the price going back to where it was? In the event the price does continue to make progress in the upwards direction, the next overarching level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Right now valued at right around 55 cents, but keep in mind that is a moving average, meaning that value is going to move and change as Friday and then next week plays out. So keep an eye on that from an overall perspective, but no doubt about it, after getting a beat down, the bulls did show a little bit of strength with this bounce. So let's see if the bulls can build upon this bounce or if this is just a dead cat. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.